How to grow Stephanotis from seeds. You may know the Stephanotis as Madagascar jasmine or bridal veil. It's a warm weather vine that has small, beautifully fragrant flowers with deep green, thick leaves. It can grow to 15 feet tall and grows out as much as you allow. The plant is easy to grow as long as it is planted in the right location and protected from too much water. It will also grow a seed pod from which you can harvest the seeds and plant more Stephanotis for your yard or as an indoor plant. Things you will need: Stephanotis seeds, small and large flower pots, potting soil, horticulture sand, trellis. Plant the Stephanotis seeds in a small flower pot by pressing them just under the surface of the potting soil. Place a very thin layer of horticulture sand on top. The sand will keep the seeds buried when watering. Place the flower pot in a sunny area in your home. Water enough to keep the soil damp at all times while the seed is germinating. It will take between 2 weeks and a month before you will see a seedling. Do not let the temperature get below 55 degrees Fahrenheit and make sure it is at least 6 hours of sun. Transplant the seedlings into larger pots of their own. They can then be moved outside, as long as the climate is warm. Pick a location that gets sun but also provides shade from the direct hot burning sunlight. Make sure the soil is not hard, it needs to drain well for this plant. Set up a trellis for the Stephanotis to climb if you live in a very warm climate. Set the trellis inside a large pot with the plant if you live in a colder climate so you can bring it indoors in the winter. Water when the soil feels dry. Do not overwater, or you can kill the plant. It likes well-drained soil and will not tolerate being soaked or sitting in standing water. If you've planted outdoors, you can mulch around the base of the plant to keep it moist without being wet. Watch for mealy bugs and red spiders. If the plants are indoors, they are more susceptible to bugs. Use an insecticide for these kinds of bugs if you notice them. Place a small amount of compost on top of the soil at the base of the plants about once a month to feed the plants.